Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Fyers account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fyers application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with logging in using your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, tap on the apps option at the bottom right corner and then scroll down and tap on My Account. Once you tap on this option, you will be taken into your account page within your web browser. Just log in using your credentials if necessary, and then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. You can then tap on the drop-down menu alongside your username, and then tap on Manage Account. Once you tap on the Manage Account button, you will be taken into your account management page. Now just tap on the Edit button above your email address, and you will be asked to check your inbox. Once you tap on the verification link within your inbox, you will be allowed to enter your new email address. Just type in your desired new email address and proceed forward and log into this new email address once again and enter the verification code. Once you verify your identity and enter this new code sent within the new email address, your account email will be changed on your Fyers account. And now you will be able to use this new email address along with your account password to log in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Fyers. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.